Hey guys, how are you? Today we are going to leave the computer and we're gonna explore Mrs. Chen's kitchen. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, come back here. We're going to look at different objects and look at their capacity. Well, first of all, we have these things here. This one is my beloved Instant Pot. I use it all the time to make delicious food. This is a 6 quart, which is about 1.5 gallon sized. This is my kettle. And as you can see on one side, you can see it tells you how many cups of water. So the max is 7 cups of water. But if you turn to the other side, it is measured in milliliters. And 1,000 milliliters is exactly 1 liters. And the max is 1,700 milliliters or 1.7 liters. These 2 cups belongs to my daughter. Well, they were very young, of course. Each of them is about, look at the bottom of the cup, it says 16 ounces, 16 fluid ounces. 16 fluid ounces is 1 pint because that means 2 cups and 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. I have a cup here. This is the one we usually use on our daily basis. I like it because every time I know if I fill up to all the way up to this line right here, that is exactly 1 cup or 8 fluid ounces. Let me show you. I have exactly 1 cup or 8 fluid ounces of liquid here. And if I pour it into this cup, and it should reach that line right on top. Ta-da! See? That's why I like these cups very much, because when I fill it up all the way to the top line, that's 1 cup. Right here, I pull out a whole bunch of stuff that I can show you guys. Let's look at all these containers. Did you know if you're in your kitchen or pantry or refrigerator, you can see a lot of labels too. These two are about the same size, however, one is shallower, one is deeper. And if you read the back, most of these containers, they will tell you their capacity. You can see that this is about 750 milliliters or 3.2 cups. Okay. This one is deeper. Let's see what the capacity is. This is about 4.7 cups or 1.1 liters. More than a quart. A quart is 4 cups. This one is tiny one. It says, where is it? Oh, right in the middle. It's at 0.5 cups or 120 milliliters. So if I have 2 of these, I make 1 full cup. This container is kind of hard to read, and it's at the bottom. It's at 1.2 liters or 5 cups. Oh, this is actually more than a quart. This container is actually can hold more than this container right here. This mixing bowl here is easier to read. Let's see. This is 3 quart or 2.8 liters. This is less than a gallon. This big stock pot, it's about 7.6 liters or 8 quart, which is bigger, about 2 quarts bigger than my Instant Pot right there. Right here I have another saucepan, a small saucepan. And if you read the bottom, it's at 1.5 quart or 1.4 liters. And all my pans and pots and pans, they all have measurements at the bottom. This is a big measuring cup. Oh, let's look at some items that we use. This is a bottle of salad dressing. It is 24 fluid ounces. Well, I know 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces, so this is more than 1 pint or more than 2 cups. This is about 3 cups. This is a bottle of spicy garlic chicken wing sauce, and it is about 1.5 pints or 24 fluid ounces. Oh, that means these two are exactly the same amount because they are both 24 fluid ounces or 1.5 pints. This is a can of evaporated milk, and the capacity is 12 fluid ounces or 354 milliliters. So this one is half the size of these two bottles. This one is a big bottle of vinegar. This is more than 1 gallon. This is 1.32 gallons or exactly 5 liters. That's a lot of vinegar. Let's look at the refrigerator. I have 2 jugs of milk, and 1 jug of milk, most of you would have seen it at the bottom. It said 1 gallon or 3.78 liters. Most milk jug is about 1 gallon or half gallon. I have some bottles here. This is a bottle of Topo Chico. My family loves it, seltzer water. And this is about 12 fluid ounces. Oh, that means even though this bottle is long, but it has the same capacity as this can right here because they're both 12 fluid ounces, even though the shapes are not exactly the same. This is a carton of half and half. This is about 1 quart or 32 fluid ounces. Now, if I have 4 of these 4 quarts, that will make 1 whole gallon, 1 jug of milk. Here's a carton of soy milk, and the capacity is also 1 quart. So these two, once again, almost full. Once again, these two are not the exact same shape. However, they have the exact same capacity. They hold the same amount of liquid. Now be careful, sometimes if you read a label like this one, this is a ready whipped cream, and it's 15 ounces, but it didn't say fluid ounces. So 15 ounces means the weight of it, not the capacity, not the volume, because whipped cream is not liquid. We only use fluid ounces to measure liquid. Hopefully this video will help you, and look around your house, see what you can read, and give me some feedback. Hope you guys have fun. Bye!